Welcome back. So, how do you know if you have the need for a comprehensive data analysis solution or even a basic data analysis solution? Well, ask yourself, are you struggling to support sudden increases in the volume of data you're dealing with, or the speed at which new data arrives, the variety of data sources, the accuracy of your data, whether you're drawing value from your data?
Michelle, I believe you're referring to the 5 V's: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value.
You got it. Let's take each one of these in turn. We're going to start with the first one. When I say volume, I mean the amount of data that a solution must handle. The solution must do it efficiently and be able to distribute the load across enough servers to handle the next V, velocity.
Now, velocity is the speed at which data enters and flows through your solution. Many businesses now use large volumes of real-time streaming data. Solutions must be able to rapidly ingest and rapidly process this data.
Right. Now, the third V is variety. Ingesting data of many different types from many different sources can mean many different challenges to data analysis. Smart companies build solutions to work with structured, semi-structured, and completely unstructured data types. We'll get into those a little bit more later on in this course.
The fourth V, veracity. Now, this refers to the trustworthiness of your data. Have you ever heard the saying, "My word is my bond"? Well, that's supposed to instill trust and to let you know that the person saying it is honorable and will do what they say they will. Well, that's veracity. Now, to have trustworthy data, you have to know the provenance of your data.
So, can you tell us a little bit more about provenance?
Sure. Provenance means that you know the chain of custody for that data, that you can say with certainty that the data has not been altered falsely. Collecting data is easy. Making sure that it's accurate and consistent, that's the hard part. That's veracity.
And finally, we get to the fifth V, value, which is the bottom line, really. The whole point of this effort is getting value from your data. That includes creating reports and dashboards that inform critical business decisions. It also includes highlighting areas for improving your business. It includes making it easier to find and communicate critical details about the business operations. And there you have it, the 5 V's of data analysis. Now, we've discussed the indicators that mean that you need a data analysis solution. So let's talk a little bit about what you need to know to prepare for one.
First, you need to know where your data is coming from. The majority of analytical data comes from existing on-premises databases and file stores. But streaming data is also becoming increasingly popular, as is the use of public data sets to enrich the other data sources your solutions will tap into. And we'll discuss all this in lessons 2 and 4.
Second, you need to know the options for processing your data. The term processing includes collecting, cleaning, transforming, and loading data into an analytic data store. That's a lot of work. This process can be handled manually or by using applications to assist in automating the process. We'll discuss this in lessons 3 and 5.
Finally, you need to know what you need to learn from your data. The result of collecting and processing all this data should be actionable insights. Now, these insights are often presented in the form of reports and dashboards, and we'll discuss all that in lesson 6.